Hello Glitzers, welcome back to class. Today we are examining unemployment. Let's get started. Unemployment is a key indicator of an economy's health. It refers to a situation where people who are willing and able to work cannot find suitable paid employment. In simpler terms, these are people who have the ability and desire to work but are unable to secure a job. The labour force includes all persons of working age who are either employed or actively seeking work. It excludes students, retirees, and those unable or unwilling to work. Unemployment therefore exists within the labour force, not outside it. Economists measure unemployment using the unemployment rate, which represents the percentage of the labour force that is jobless but actively seeking employment. For example, if 10 out of 100 workers cannot find jobs, the unemployment rate is 10%. This rate helps governments and analysts monitor economic performance and labour market efficiency. Frictional unemployment occurs when people are temporarily between jobs. It happens naturally as workers change careers, move to new cities, or fresh graduates search for their first jobs. Structural unemployment arises when the skills of workers no longer match the needs of employers. For instance, when machines replace manual labour, some workers lose their jobs because their skills are outdated. Cyclical unemployment is caused by fluctuations in the business cycle. During periods of economic recession, demand for goods and services falls, companies reduce production and workers are laid off. When the economy recovers, employment levels rise again. Seasonal unemployment occurs in industries that operate only during certain times of the year, such as agriculture or tourism. Voluntary unemployment, on the other hand, occurs when individuals choose not to work at the current wage rate because they are waiting for better opportunities or pay. Disguised unemployment occurs when more workers are employed than are actually required to produce a given level of output. Underemployment also refers to situations where people work in jobs below their skill or education level. This is common in developing economies where job opportunities are limited. The major causes of unemployment include rapid population growth, inadequate education and training, technological change, and economic recessions. Reducing unemployment requires long-term and short-term strategies. Governments must invest in education, vocational training, and infrastructure. The private sector should be encouraged to create jobs through industrial growth and innovation. Individuals must also acquire relevant skills and embrace entrepreneurship. In conclusion, unemployment is both an economic and social problem, and solving it is essential for sustainable development. This is DE-GLITZ Academy, simplifying economics for every social science mind. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next class.